So guys, I'm again back with two new job opportunities. So I'll be discussing about two off-campus types in one video so that you will be able to apply for these two jobs at a time if you are eligible. So if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon. And also you can join our Telegram channel called latest off-campus types for you so that you will be able to get notifications regarding latest off-campus types, and also will be getting the job references. So I'll be providing the Telegram channel link in the description of this video so that you'll be able to join our Telegram channel more easily. So now let's discuss about the job role and eligibility criteria. So the first company name is Elitmus and they are hiring for full stack developer intern. So after completing the training, you will become the permanent employee of Elitmus. And your work location will be Bangalore and you will be getting 6 LPA for this role. Then experience required freshers. And remember one thing, only 2021 year of pass out candidates are eligible for this role. Then qualification, only BE Tech. Then branch, any branch. That means all the IT students or the candidates like CSE, CSIT and non-IT. That means mechanical, civil, electrical or eligible for this role. Then last date to apply. So 25th October 2020 is the last date to apply for this role. Then the drive date. So 31st October 2020 the drive will happen and it's a online or the remote process. So from home you can attend this drive. Then desired skill. So you must have explored things outside your curriculum, that means stuffs other than .NET, Java, C, Python, MATLAB, etc. So that means you need to be a multi-talented guy. That means you must have knowledge on web page development and blogging, or you can say like IoT or the data science knowledge, etc. So you should be familiar with web technologies like CSS, JavaScript, J2EE, Angular, etc. So you must be high on logic and love mathematics and puzzles. So remember, you need to remember one thing, these are the most important criteria before applying for this role. You must know all these things before applying for this role. During the remote intensive or the remote training period, you will be getting 15,000 per month. So after completing the intensive, you will be getting 6 LPA. So if you are attending the training from the home or the remotely, you will be getting 15,000 per month. And if you are attending the training from the office premises, you'll be getting 20,000 per month. And only the candidates who are willing to commit for a minimum period of 24 months, that means 2 years after becoming the full time employment, they need to apply. That means you need to serve a bond of 2 years. So let me take you to the official website where you can check the other things and apply if you are interested. So here you can see the last date to apply, the drive date and the drive location remotely. Here you can see. So you need to log in to the Elitmus website to apply for this role. So you need not to attend any PH test or Elitmus test for this role because they have not specified any PH score here. That means you need to have an account in Elitmus and you must fulfill all these eligibility criteria. So if you are willing to apply, then you need to click on the login and apply. So let's discuss about the other job or the second job. So second company name is Urban Pro and the job profile is for software engineer and it's a Bangalore based location. So your work location will be Bangalore. Then experience required freshers. That means you need not to have any experience for this role. So only 2020 year of pass out candidates are eligible for this role, unfortunately. That means 2019, 2021, 2018 candidates are not eligible for this role. Then qualification, only BE BTech candidates are eligible, and branch only CSE CSIT. That means all the IT candidates are eligible for this role. Then last date to apply is 24th October 2020. That means only 4 days left to apply for this role. And drive date, the drive will be happening on 26th October 2020 and the drive location is remote process. That means online. You will be attending the drive from your home itself. And the CTC, you will be getting 5 LPA for this role. Then skills required. You must be familiar with advanced principles of object oriented programming or analysis, designing and programming, and you must have experience with multi-tier website development in Java or the J2EE environment. These are the basic things you need to know. So they have not specified any other technologies like Python or Angular, etc. So this is the basic things you need to know before applying for a company. Excellent time management skill and ability to take responsibility for deliverables and ability to work in a fast and paced environment. So you must have excellent oral and written communication skills as well. Then these are the main things or the key things you need to know before applying for this role. So during the training period, so the training period will be of 6 months. During the training period or during the internship, you will be getting 6 LPA or 2.4 LPA. Your CTC will be 2.4 LPA and it's a remote process. So you'll be working from your home itself. So only candidates willing to commit for a minimum period of 24 months. For this company also you have to serve a notice or a bond of 2 years. So before 2 years you can leave this company. So if you are leaving this company, then you need to pay some amount. So they have not specified or mentioned this the amount here. So if you get selected for this role or for this job, then you need to sign a bond. So let me take you to the official website. So this is the official website Urban Pro. The eLitmus itself will be able to apply for this role. Now URLs. So here you can see the last date or the drive date and the drive location is online. So here you can see and the good academic and good PH score. So they have not mentioned, but sometimes if your eligibility criteria matches and you have a very good academic score, then the PS score does not matter. So sometimes they send you the hall ticket or your admit card or the test link. So I hope you get a clear idea about these two off-campus type details. So if you are willing to apply for these roles, you can apply, because after the training period you will be getting a huge amount of salary. So after 1 year or 1.5 year, if you are willing to leave this company, then you can pay the bond money or the bond amount, then you can leave this company. So obviously if you are getting 6 LPA or 5 LPA, then no problem to pay 2 lakh or 1.5 lakh if you are getting a better opportunity than this. So good luck for your career and for your job search. I hope you liked this video. So please share this video with other job seekers so that they will be able to get help from us. So thank you for watching. Have a good day.